This video is a continuation of section 2.5 in geometry. We're looking at some examples. This is example 2 part C. So as always, I like to take a look at the picture and see what I've got here. And we can see I've got two angles labeled and they happen to be congruent. We have some tick marks here. They're a little unusual, but they do indicate that the angles are equal. And we want to find all these different angles. So let's go ahead and start with the fact that these two are congruent to each other. So I'm going to set those equal. So I have 4y minus 8 is equal to 10y minus 74. And then I'm going to subtract 10y from both sides. And I get negative 6y minus 8 equals negative 74. Add 8. And I get negative 6y equals negative 66. Divide by negative 6. And I get that y is 11. Now that I have y is 11, I can substitute that back in, and I can find that this angle is 4 times 11 minus 8. So that's 44 minus 8, which is 36, which this angle here should also be 36. Let's double check that. So I have 10 times 11 minus 74. 10 times 11 minus 74. That gives us 36 as well, so that's good. Alright, so this is angle ABC, so that's 36. And this angle is CBD, that's also 36. And I can see that angle CBD and angle EBF are vertical angles. So this one is going to be, let's just put in that tick mark that they have there, so that's going to be 36 degrees also. So EBF, that's this one here. 36 degrees. We also need DBF. And I can see that these two angles here form a linear pair. These two angles form a linear pair. So I know that this one, DBF, is going to be 180 minus 36 degrees, which is 144. And let's see, all we need is EBA. So I can see that these three angles here add up to 180. So this angle is going to be 180 minus the 36 on the left and minus the 36 on the right, which is going to give me 180 minus 72. 180 minus 72, or 108 degrees there. So that's 108. So as you go through a problem like this, just pick it apart a little bit at a time. Find things that you know. Look for linear pairs, look for vertical angles, look for complements, and then work it through a little bit at a time. And I think you'll find them a lot more manageable than they may look when you first start the problem. Alright, that's all for this video. We'll see you in the next one.